guys, in writing, we are going to be working on something called an opinion writing. An opinion writing is when you get to write about how you feel about something. Do you guys remember when we wrote about dental health, how to brush your teeth? We wrote about our American symbols, and we created space books. If you remember those things, give me a thumbs up. Awesome. Okay, so in those books and in those writings, we listed facts. We said different details about our president, about our American symbols. We wrote about all our planets. And we never got to say which planet was our favorite. And we never got to say which president was our favorite. So this writing, an opinion writing, is going to give you the opportunity to write about something that is your favorite, and you get to tell me why. You're not going to tell me what my favorite is. You're going to tell me what your favorite is. So, an opinion writing is how you feel about something. Then you also have to give a reason or a supporting detail. And a lot of times that's going to be the word because. Now some of us have already been using the word because in our writing. And some of us are going to start trying this time to use the word because in our writing. The word because helps us know that that's giving a reason. So down here at the bottom of our anchor chart, we have two sentences that are helpful when we're going to start an opinion writing. So the first sentence says, I like blank because, so the author would say, I like, and then they would tell us what they like. Then they're going to write the word because, and then they're going to give us the reason why they like that thing. Now, this is another way you could write it. They wrote, my favorite blank is blank because. So the author's going to fill in and tell us what favorite thing. They may say my favorite toy, my favorite drink, my favorite candy, and then they might say my favorite toy is a Barbie. Then they're going to say because, and they're going to give me a reason why. Like they might say you can put different clothes on your Barbie can have different jobs. So this is just your opinion. What might be my favorite isn't always going to be your favorite. So step one, you have to start with a topic or what you want to write about. So let's see what I chose to write about today. I chose to write about my favorite candy. So now that I know my topic, I've got to do some brainstorming. I've got to make a list of ideas. So I wrote down some of my favorite candies. Kit Kat, M&M's, Reese's, Skittles, and gummy worms. Well, I'm thinking I've had a lot of Kit Kats, M&M's, and Reese's over spring break. So I think I'm going to write about another candy that's one of my favorites because I have 5 favorites right here. So I'm just going to pick one. Today I think I'm going to write about Skittles. Today feels like a Skittles day. So the next step is to make a graphic organizer. We use graphic organizers in our classroom. Do you remember when we used some of those? Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. So we've used some of those, but it has been a while. So if you don't remember, that's okay. We're going to look at one today. So the first thing we're going to want to do is write our favorite candy. So my favorite candy is Skittles. So I wrote the word Skittles right there. Now, I want to have reasons why, because remember, we're going to be using the word because, right? So I need some reasons. So I want to, because you guys know in writing, Miss Moody and Miss Graham always tell you you have to write at least 2 sentences because you are expert writers, and that means you have to write 2 sentences. So my first reason why I like Skittles is there are lots of colors. Skittles come in all kinds of different colors, and I love all the different colors of Skittles. The second reason why I like Skittles is because they're really chewy. I really like chewing. If I didn't have a piece of bubble gum and I had Skittles, I would probably eat those Skittles so they could be nice and chewy. So I need to put it all together. So what am I going to do first? I'm going to write first, not draw. So this says, in my opinion, because we're doing an opinion writing, the best candy is, and I wrote, Skittles. It is the best because, remember my 2 reasons? It has lots of colors, and it is chewy. So that is my opinion. In my opinion, the best candy is Skittles. It is the best because it has lots of colors and it is chewy. So now that I've finished my opinion writing, I'm going to go draw a picture. So I drew a picture of some Skittles and I colored what I could. So you all know that you can write about what is your favorite thing or the thing you like best. So don't write about what I like best, write what you like best. And remember, I'm always looking for at least 2 sentences. I can't wait to see your writing.